Good morning, guys. This is 8th of July 2026, and it's quarter to 6 in the morning. And I slept at midnight, and I'm up, since 5 o'clock because I have my swimming lesson, the second swimming lesson of my life. And otherwise, I wouldn't get up at any cost so early, and I'll have to catch up and sleep later, obviously. But I have the schedule, right? I'm a stand-up comedian, so I sleep late, and it's raining also. It's crazy. It is raining, and I sleep late, but I have to learn swimming. It's a huge bucket list item. All my life, not been able to make time for it, but it's raining. But now that I've found an opportunity, I've plugged it in my schedule. I have to do it. It's one of my 30-day challenges for this month. So I'm heading to my swimming class. I'll show you a bit of the swimming pool. I'll show you. Okay. So wish me luck. Although I don't think I'll drown anymore because yesterday I was scared of drowning. But today I managed to float yesterday. So let's see how today goes. Good morning, guys. If you're watching this vlog for the first time, I have a This is India series, and this is India. Okay, this is 10 minutes to 6 in the morning, and everybody's asleep. I've come for a swimming class. This is Gurgaon, and it gets really crowded later in the day. And that's a milk tanker. They've come to deliver milk to a retail shop, and this is some sort of a tree. Those are birds flying. And this is a morning in India, the tanker is going on. That's generally a morning sight. Empty roads, which is a rarity in India because we are the most populated country in the world. So everything gets crowded. And within the next 1 hour, people started coming right now. There's a bike for there. Within half an hour to 1 hour, everything will be really crowded. So guys, this is the time I show you the first naked pool of Gurgaon. You enter here, this is the building, and you walk down. You already hear the sound of the water. Okay, and we are walking to the first secret naked pool of Gurgaon. Okay, you just walk down. This is a staircase to heaven. Okay, and you walk down, just further walk down, and you can see almost the pool there. Alright, and you walk down, and you keep walking down on the staircase to heaven. You can already hear some people. Alright, and then it's there's a What do you mean it's not a naked pool? It's a naked pool. Is the pool wearing clothes? तो लोग नहीं चाहिए.
देखिए भैया, हमारा नाम अमर है और हम अपनी ले लिए हैं सुबह से. सुबह उठे हुए हम 5 बजे स्विमिंग किया हमने. उसमें बोलते रहे फिलोट करो, हमसे फिलोट होना रहा है. उसके बाद फिर 2 घंटे हम फोन पे लगे रहे. कुछ व्लॉग वगैरह अपलोड किया. फिर 10 बजे अपर बॉडी किया, पता नहीं लोअर बॉडी किया, डेड लिफ्ट वगैरह किया. हैं, डेड लिफ्ट किए. उसके बाद फिर क्रंचेस किए, फिर डांस किए. हैं, 5 बजे को उठे हुए, 12:30 हो गए. ले लिए हम. बारिश हो रही है, अब भीग भी गए हम. तुम अपने साथ ऐसा होता है, मना करना, ऐसा मना करना. हमने ले लिए, जा रहे हैं हम घर.
Since childhood I've had this writer's brain, right? Like I've been drawn to lyrics of songs which I liked, right? And when I like lyrics of certain songs, I remember them like naturally. Like I know the lyrics of I don't know how many countless songs just because I like the lyrics and they drew me towards them. And so I remember the song. I remember so many songs. For example, this line from this song, it's a recent song relatively. बन के चाहत नजरों से खत लिखना तू है जैसा मुझको वैसा देखना देखना. What a beautiful line, you know, like this line from this song. नहीं सुनी आज. तू है जैसा मुझको वैसा देखना. There's a line of CNG autos in Delhi, and I mean the government is trying to reduce pollution, so that's why a lot of autos in Delhi have become CNG. Not that although it has reduced pollution to a bit, but you can still feel it. I mean it's one of the most polluted cities in the world still. But yeah, I think this is a step still in the right direction. Hey guys, so came to Delhi to do like 2 spots. I was supposed to hold the 6 PM show, and then I was spotted 8 PM show. But these shows largely run on busking, because generally Oscars village attracts a lot of people, and what these guys do is they busk audiences. They talk to people on the road and ask them if they would like to come to the show. And generally they get people because HKV is very crowded usually. But HK is very crowded usually, but today because of the rain there are hardly any people. So already I came by 6. It's already 6:30, and it seems that the 6 PM show is already cancelled, and they don't even have tickets and it is the 8 PM show. So it feels like that coming to Delhi trip seems like a waste. And anyways, coming to Delhi for the weekend shows, it's wasteful because again they have solos. So I thought Wednesday was a good day, and the guy who's managing the club says if there's no rain, then shows happen, bikes happen on Mondays also, because there are a lot of people. Generally there are a lot of people on in HKV, that's true, it's not a lie. But like it's raining, and I came to, I mean frankly I'd like to come to Delhi once a week also, but if the shows don't happen, it feels like this. So I'm having some food right now. I'm a bit hungry. I'm not very hungry, although I told myself I'll not eat until I'm starving, but it's a good time to eat right now, so I'll eat the dinner at Gokubu very light. So I'll treat this as a snack right now. It's 6:30, so I'll treat this. I'm having a chicken roll, meat and 2 eggs. So I already had 2 eggs. Omelette already. So yeah, so that's protein I'm taking. Good. You know, maybe I've started looking like someone who doesn't take sugar, you know, because I just ordered a chai, and the chai wala is like, देखी चाहिए आपको? This is India, guys. This is also India. People sleeping on pavements, footpaths, across the country, because they have nowhere to go. This is India. Hey guys, the day review. This is 10:45, and I'm closing a really hectic day. The day started at 5 o'clock. I slept at midnight last night, so I slept for 5 hours last night, and then I woke up for swimming sessions. I mean, frankly, this was my second swimming session. I shouldn't be angry with myself, but I am, because I tried like for 40 minutes, but I couldn't float without a float. It's a rubber float which I floated with yesterday, but I couldn't float without it. I tried for 40 minutes, but I failed for 40 minutes. But so I'm gonna go tomorrow again. I've scheduled for tomorrow evening the swimming sessions, because I won't sleep tonight, because last 2 nights I've hardly had any sleep because of the swimming session in the morning. Went to Delhi for shows. I was supposed to host 6 PM and spot at 8 PM, but the 6 PM got cancelled because there was hardly any audience. So in terms of efficiency for stage time, that didn't work out really well. I did have a spot at 8 PM, about 8 minutes, but that's not really, you know, worth it for the travel time I kind of spent to go to Delhi. But it was like unfortunate. Generally the shows happen if it's not raining as much. So overall the day was 7 on 10. I'm really tired. 7 on 10 because I couldn't float, and the 6 PM show got cancelled, but fine. The other show was good, so that'll be it. Good night. Hope I can float next time.